Hey there, investors! Are you tired of the same old investment options? Looking for a chance to really make your money grow? Well, buckle up because I'm about to let you in on a little secret. Emerging markets are the next big thing. Forget what you think you know about developing economies. These aren't your grandpa's emerging markets. We're talking about countries with booming populations, surging middle classes, and a hunger for innovation. Think India, China, Brazil, and many more. These markets are bursting with potential. They're home to some of the fastest growing companies in the world, and they're leading the charge in exciting new sectors like renewable energy and technology. So if you're ready to ditch the slow lane and jump into the fast track of investment, then keep reading. Emerging markets are calling, and the opportunities are too good to miss. Let's talk tech, baby. Emerging markets are becoming hotbeds for technological innovation. We're not just talking about copying Western tech either. These countries are developing their own cutting-edge solutions in fields like mobile payments, e-commerce, and artificial intelligence. Take a look at China. They're already a global leader in mobile payments, with companies like Alipay and WeChat Pay dominating the market. And don't even get me started on their e-commerce giants like Alibaba and JD.com, giving Amazon a run for its money. These tech companies are growing at breakneck speed. They're attracting top talent, investing heavily in research and development, and rapidly expanding their reach, both domestically and internationally. This is a tech revolution happening right before our eyes, and it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Forget fossil fuels, the future is green. And guess what? Emerging markets are leading the charge in the renewable energy revolution. With growing populations and increasing energy demands, these countries are embracing solar, wind, and other sustainable energy sources like never before. China, once again, is at the forefront. They're the world's largest producer of solar panels and wind turbines, investing massively in clean energy infrastructure. But it's not just China. India is also making huge strides in solar power, with ambitious targets to become a global leader in renewable energy. Investing in green energy in emerging markets is a win-win. Not only are you tapping into a high-growth sector, but you're also supporting a sustainable future for our planet. Now that's what I call a smart investment. As emerging economies grow, so do their healthcare needs. With rising incomes and aging populations, the demand for quality healthcare services and products is skyrocketing in these countries. This presents a massive opportunity for savvy investors. From pharmaceutical companies developing life-saving drugs to healthcare providers expanding their reach, the healthcare sector in emerging markets is booming. We're seeing innovative new business models emerge, such as telemedicine platforms connecting rural communities to doctors in urban centers. The potential for growth in this sector is enormous, and let's not forget the social impact. Investing in healthcare in emerging markets means improving the lives of millions of people. Now that's something worth investing in. Section 5. Opportunities abound, growth and diversification. Now, why should you, the savvy investor, care about all this? 2 words: growth and diversification. Emerging markets offer incredible growth potential. We're talking about double-digit growth rates in some sectors, far outpacing the sluggish growth of developed economies. These markets are young, dynamic, and hungry for success. But it's not just about growth. Investing in emerging markets also provides crucial diversification for your portfolio. By spreading your investments across different regions and sectors, you reduce your overall risk. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Emerging markets are like the spice in your investment portfolio. They add flavor, excitement, and most importantly, the potential for big returns. So spice things up a bit and explore the exciting world of emerging market investments. Section 6. Navigating the risks, volatility, and regulation. Now, before you go all in on emerging markets, let's get real for a second. Investing in these markets is not without its risks. Just like a roller coaster ride, there will be ups and downs. One of the biggest risks is market volatility. Emerging markets can be sensitive to global economic conditions and political instability. Their currencies can fluctuate wildly, and their stock markets can experience sharp swings. Another risk is regulatory uncertainty. Emerging markets are still developing their legal and regulatory frameworks, which can create challenges for businesses and investors. It's crucial to be aware of these risks and to invest cautiously, but don't let these risks scare you off. With the right approach, you can mitigate these risks and reap the rewards of investing in these dynamic markets. Section 7. Research is key. Know before you go. Remember the old saying, don't invest in something you don't understand? Well, that couldn't be truer for emerging markets. Before you put your hard-earned money on the line, you need to do your homework. Start by researching the specific countries and sectors that interest you. What are their economic growth prospects? What are the political and social conditions like? What are the major industries and companies operating in those markets? Read industry reports, follow financial news, and consult with financial advisors who specialize in emerging markets. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of investing. Section 8. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember what I said about roller coasters? Well, diversification is your safety harness. Don't put all your money into a single company, sector, or even country. Spread your risk by investing in a variety of different assets. Consider investing in emerging market mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of emerging market stocks or bonds. This allows you to gain exposure to a broad range of companies and sectors without having to pick individual winners. Remember, diversification is your friend. It helps to smooth out the bumps in the road and reduces the impact of any single investment going south. Section 9. Patience is a virtue. The long game wins. Investing in emerging markets is not a get-rich-quick scheme. These markets can be volatile in the short term, and it's important to have a long-term perspective. Don't panic sell if the market takes a dip. Remember why you invested in the first place: long-term growth potential? Ride out the storms and focus on the bigger picture. As the saying goes, Rome wasn't built in a day. The power of compounding returns is on your side. The longer you stay invested, the more time your money has to grow. So be patient, stay invested, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders. Section 10. Technology, your investing ally. In today's digital age, technology is your best friend when it comes to investing in emerging markets. There are countless online platforms and resources available to help you research, track, and manage your investments. Use online brokerage accounts to access emerging market stocks and funds. Take advantage of financial news websites and apps to stay up to date on market trends and company news. Explore robo-advisors that offer automated investment management services tailored to your risk tolerance and investment goals. Technology has made investing more accessible and affordable than ever before. Use it to your advantage. Section 11. The future is bright. Seize the opportunity. The world is changing rapidly, and emerging markets are at the forefront of this transformation. These dynamic economies are brimming with opportunities for investors who are willing to embrace the unknown and think outside the box. Yes, there are risks involved, but with careful research, diversification, and a long-term perspective, the potential rewards are too great to ignore. So, what are you waiting for? The future is bright, and it's happening in emerging markets. Don't miss out on your chance to be a part of it. Get in the game, invest wisely, and watch your portfolio grow. Subscribe, share, and support our channel for more insights and opportunities.